welcome to Hands on Science, where if you ever need something to do, this is the place to be. This is Carr.
And this is Mel.
Hey, Carr.
Mel, why? Why?
Look.
I don't like like
spiders.
spiders.
There's a few other things I put in there, too.
Yeah, I see some, like, and there's more spiders.
Yeah.
Like, why do you have spiders?
Well, because, Halloween's coming up soon. So
okay. Okay. At least they're not real spiders.
Yeah. Thank goodness.
Thank goodness.
But there's other things in there you can't see what they are.
I can see some color. I can see some shapes.
But you don't know, right?
I have no idea what they are.
Right. But I'm going to actually have these spiders float. Wouldn't that be, like, super cool? It kind of looks like a swing, but not really, because you know what?
Well, yeah, these are those, like, these little...
water beads?
Yeah, I know them as water beads. Some people call them, like, Orbeez.
Ooh,
sorry.
Orbeez.
They come in all kinds of colors, and there's different sizes.
I got the clear ones. Because
I have a feeling
you love spiders.
Well, no, I don't. But I have a feeling there's a reason you used clear ones.
Floating spiders. Here we go. I'm just putting some water
that's so
cool. And now you can see what's
now I can
inside.
see there's a couple of it. There's like some balls.
Yes. That one's like floating up to the top.
That's so cool. Like everything just kind of
floating. It's like they're
disappeared. Like I know the Orbeez are in there, and the water beads are in there, but
they're just kind of floating.
Yeah, they're just like suspended. That's cool.
What is this? Animation suspended. What is it called? I don't know what it is.
Neutrally buoyant.
Buoyancy.
That's what it looks like.
Cool.
That's kind of not what's happening. So like.
It's like the coolest thing ever.
Was this just water you poured in there?
I just poured water.
So it filled in all the little gaps.
Yes.
Between all the water beads.
Right.
And now, like, I mean, there's a little bit of, like, distortion, but I can still see very clearly what's in there.
Right.
That's super cool.
Like
I mean, it's gross because it's spiders, but that's the neat effect.
The ball is, like, just, like, right there. Like, it's floating. I just think it's, like, super cool.
I like it a lot. I think, with Halloween coming up, maybe not spiders, but we'll do some other decorations, or maybe I'll make, like, a fake eyeball or something.
That'd be
out of our little bouncy balls. Very cool. Guys, if you liked seeing this effect as much as we did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, subscribe for more Hands on Science. We'll see you next time.
Bye.